Most people think eating beans at night will slow them down, cause bloating, or ruin their sleep. But what if I told you some beans can actually help your muscles recover faster and make you sleep deeper at the same time? Tonight, I'm going to show you 4 powerful beans that don't just fill your stomach. They quietly repair your muscles while you sleep. Not the heavy ones, not the ones that cause discomfort, but the ones that work with your body overnight. And one of these might surprise you, because most people are eating it at the wrong time. Number 1. Lentils are one of the most powerful foods you can include in your nighttime routine if your goal is to support muscle recovery while improving sleep quality, because they provide a steady and reliable source of plant-based protein that your body can use slowly throughout the night instead of overwhelming your digestive system all at once, which is especially important during sleep, when your body shifts into repair mode and begins rebuilding the tiny muscle fibers that were stressed during the day or through exercise, and unlike heavy animal proteins that can feel dense and difficult too. Processed before bed lentils are gentle on the stomach when cooked properly, making them an ideal option for a light evening meal that still delivers real nutritional value. And what makes them even more effective is their high magnesium content, which plays a key role in relaxing the muscles and calming the nervous system, helping your body transition naturally into a deeper and more restful state of sleep, while also reducing the chances of nighttime cramps or restlessness that can interrupt recovery. And alongside magnesium, lentils also contain iron and folate, which help improve blood circulation, allowing oxygen and essential nutrients to reach your muscles more efficiently during the night, which enhances the repair process and supports overall strength over time. And their rich fiber content helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing sudden spikes and crashes that can disturb sleep or keep your body in a stressed state instead of a relaxed one. And when your blood sugar remains stable, your body can stay focused on recovery rather than reacting to internal imbalances, making lentils a simple but highly effective addition to any nighttime routine for building stronger muscles and achieving more consistent, restful sleep. Number 2. Chickpeas are one of the most balanced and effective foods you can include in your evening routine if your goal is to improve muscle recovery while also getting deeper and more restful sleep, because they provide a clean source of plant-based protein that supports muscle repair without putting extra stress on your digestive system, which is especially important at night when your body needs to stay calm and relaxed instead of working hard to break down heavy foods. And what makes chickpeas stand out even more is their natural combination of tryptophan and vitamin B6, which helps your body produce melatonin, the hormone responsible for controlling your sleep cycle, allowing you to fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer, while your muscles recover in the background. And this process becomes even more effective when your body is in a relaxed state, because deeper sleep directly improves how well your muscles rebuild and grow over time. And chickpeas are also rich in fiber, which plays a major role in keeping your blood sugar stable throughout the night, preventing sudden spikes or drops that can wake you up or interrupt the recovery process. Because when blood sugar stays steady, your body remains in a consistent repair mode instead of shifting into stress mode. And this is very important for anyone who trains regularly or wants to build strength, because stable energy levels allow your muscles to receive a steady supply of nutrients while you sleep. And chickpeas also contain important minerals like magnesium, which helps relax muscles and reduce tension, making it easier for your body to fully unwind before bed. And when eaten in the right portion and prepared simply, chickpeas become a powerful nighttime food that supports both muscle strength and high-quality sleep without causing heaviness or discomfort. Number 3. Black beans are a powerful option to include in your nighttime routine if your goal is to support muscle repair and maintain steady energy while you sleep, because they provide a strong combination of plant-based protein and slow-digesting carbohydrates that continue to fuel your body gradually, instead of causing sudden spikes or crashes, which is especially important during the night when your body is focused on repairing muscle tissue and recovering from physical stress. And what makes black beans stand out even more is their rich antioxidant content, which helps reduce inflammation in the body that often builds up after workouts or long days of physical activity. And lower inflammation means your muscles can recover faster and more efficiently without unnecessary strain, and this creates a better internal environment for growth and strength over time. And black beans are also high in fiber, which supports digestion and keeps your blood sugar levels stable throughout the night, allowing your body to remain in a calm and balanced state instead of shifting into stress mode, which can interrupt sleep and slow down recovery. And another important benefit of black beans is their magnesium content, which helps relax muscles and calm the nervous system, making it easier for your body to wind down before sleep, while also reducing the chances of cramps or tightness during the night. And they also provide iron, which supports healthy blood circulation, helping deliver oxygen and nutrients to muscle tissues more effectively during rest. And this improved circulation plays a key role in rebuilding strength and endurance over time. And when eaten in small portions and cooked properly, black beans can be a highly effective addition to a nighttime meal that supports both muscle recovery and deeper, more consistent sleep without causing heaviness or discomfort. Number 4, kidney beans are an excellent choice for a nighttime meal if your goal is to build stronger muscles while allowing your body to recover properly during sleep, because they provide a rich source of plant-based protein that supports muscle repair without the heaviness that often comes from late night animal foods, and this makes them easier for your body to process while it shifts into recovery mode and begins rebuilding muscle fibers that were stressed during the day or through exercise. And what makes kidney beans especially valuable is their combination of protein, iron, and magnesium, which work together to support both strength and relaxation, because iron helps carry oxygen through the blood to your muscles, ensuring they receive the nutrients they need to repair efficiently, while magnesium plays a key role in relaxing muscle tissue and calming the nervous system, allowing your body to settle into a deeper and more restful state of sleep. And this balance between recovery and relaxation is essential for improving overall muscle performance over time. And kidney beans also contain a good amount of fiber, which helps regulate digestion and keeps blood sugar levels stable throughout the night, preventing sudden energy drops or spikes that can interrupt sleep or slow down the recovery process. And when your blood sugar remains steady, your body stays in a consistent repair mode, allowing your muscles to rebuild more effectively and without unnecessary stress. And although kidney beans are slightly heavier compared to other beans, they can still be a great nighttime option when prepared properly by soaking them well and cooking them until very soft, which makes them easier to digest. And when eaten in small portions, they can provide lasting nourishment that supports muscle strength, recovery, and better sleep quality throughout the night.